Hi, my name is Rosemary, and if you want to see how I did this beautiful goth vampire fairy makeup look, then keep on watching. First, we're going to put white eyeshadow under your eyebrows. Then we're going to put gray eyeshadow on this part to blend the black easier. Now is the fun part, black eyeshadow. This has the blackest eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. So we're going to use this black eyeshadow and we're going to put it all around our eyes. It's okay if it looks like crap right now because we're going to fix it. Now that you have black all around your eye, you're just going to blend it with gray eyeshadow and it's going to look a lot better. Take the gray eyeshadow and then just start blending the black and it will start looking way nicer. After you blend it with gray, get the brush with black on it again and just make your eyelid a little more black again. And then blend it one more time. Try to give it a pretty round shape. After your eyeshadow is looking blended and beautiful, we can do eyeliner and just do a cat eye. I'm going to do a long skinny-ish one. And then you do the same exact thing to the other eye. After you dry them, you get to do the bottom. I'm going to use this pencil eyeliner just because it's easier on the bottom. And just make it nice and black down there. Sometimes the top needs some more. I wish someone would make the blackest eyeliner in the world so you wouldn't have to do this. You don't want to be having a pink or white waterline. You want to be having a dark, scary waterline. So I'm going to use this eyeliner that goes on your waterline. After you have a beautiful black waterline, we're going to add even more eyeliner in the inner corner. This will make it look even more vampire and dark. This eyeliner is not working, so I'm going to use this one instead. Just do some little triangles. And connect it to the bottom and the top. And it'll look way more vampire. As you can see, it looks like I messed up. So I'm going to fix it a little bit. Just take a little paintbrush and concealer, try to make it better. That looks better. All fixed. And now we get to add mascara. And if you want, you can poke yourself on the face with the mascara and it will put a little more black because you can never have enough black. And now do the other eye. The mascara just makes it look even more black and vampire. Now another fun part, we are going to add blush and we're going to add purple blush. If you don't have purple blush, you can use purple eyeshadow. I'm just going to take a brush like this and stick it in my blush. And I learned a trick to only bring it to your pupil because if you bring it past your pupil, it draws attention to like your laugh line and like your bags. So like only bring it to like your pupil. And we're gonna do it super heavy and dark because this is a vampire fairy look. You can just get powder and just try to blend it. I'm gonna try to fix it a little bit. Okay, so after your cheeks are beautiful and purple, you can put highlighter. The highlighter kind of blends it. Get some really sparkly cheeks like a fairy. And now the really fun part, Plum lipstick. This is Potion by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is a gorgeous vampire color. This is probably the color I want to wear when I get married. Take a beautiful dark purple lip gloss or get a dark purple lipstick and put lip gloss on top. Now that you have big, beautiful, glossy purple lips, you can add eyelashes. Ta-da! And the look is complete. I hope you all liked the makeup. I hope you all liked the video. I hope the instructions were easy to understand. I love you all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.